Form a polynomial whose zeros are alpha square and beta square, where alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 3 root 2x plus 4. The polynomial given is p of x is equal to x square minus 3 root 2x plus 4. What is the sum of the zeros? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a is equal to minus b is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x here is minus 3 root 2. So minus 3 root 2 divided by a. A is the coefficient of x square, that is 1. So we have now minus 3 root 2 divided by 1. Minus is plus. So 3 root 2 divided by 1, which is equal to 3 root 2. That is alpha plus beta. Now alpha beta, the product of the zeros. Alpha beta is equal to product of the zeros, that is equal to c divided by a. C is the constant, that is 4, divided by a is the coefficient of x square, that is 1. 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. So we have got alpha beta is equal to 4. Now we need to make a polynomial whose zeros are alpha square and beta square. So we need to find the sum of the zeros alpha square plus beta square from the given information. So from this, how we will get alpha square plus beta square? Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. As we know that a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So from this, alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta, which is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square. We have got alpha plus beta, that is 3 root 2. So 3 root 2 whole square minus 2 alpha beta. 2 into alpha beta also we have got, that is 4. So 3 root 2 whole square minus 2 into 4. 3 root 2 the whole square. 3 square is 9. Root 2 whole square is 2. So 9 into 2 is 18 minus 2 into 4 is 8. So we got 18 minus 8, which is equal to 10. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to 10. Now we will find the product of the zeros. Product of the zeros when the zeros are alpha square and beta square. So product of the zeros is alpha square into beta square. Alpha square into beta square, that is alpha square beta square is equal to, what is alpha square beta square? We know alpha beta is 4. So alpha square beta square will be 4 square, that is 16. So we got alpha square beta square is equal to 16. Now we will make the polynomial whose zeros are alpha square and beta square. Therefore, the given polynomial is k into x square, where k is a constant, x square minus sum of the zeros into x. Sum of the zeros we got 10 into x, 10x plus the product of the zeros. Product of the zeros is 16. X square minus 10x plus 16 will take k equal to 1. Therefore, the given polynomial is x square minus 10x plus 16. This is the answer.